It's like 400 miles ago, I think.
Doc's diesel, baby. Oh. Welcome back to the Powerstroke Rick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Out.
Tried?
Doc's diesel. What y'all think? Fuel filters, oil filter, interval oil treatment, interval fuel treatment. On this beautiful 2016 6.7. So guys, we're not doing a full install video here, but I just want to highlight these and show you this awesome product from Doc's Diesel. Locally in Ohio, to me, where I'm at, ships right to your doorstep. Like a sore dick, can't beat it. Let's check it out.
Wild.
Look at that, right to your doorstep. Doc's Diesel, baby. Skibbity dibbity.
Bro.
Oh, yeah, you're good. Right there. Nice. Good job.
Nice Doc's Diesel rags.
Doc Diesel, baby.
Yes, sir.
You ever need a hype man, dude? Here he is.
Weston is the ultimate hype man.
Easiest filters ever to change.
Dude, I love it.
Stop it.
No, you're okay. Brother. After every fuel filter change, check it out.
Skibber's. How is yours? Like, mine's so far.
Steady. Watch where you're filming.
Good?
How's that look?
Good.
Good.
Look at that. After every oil change, Doc's powered by Hot Shots. 2 ounces per quart. It's perfect. All right, y'all. That's a quick little video. Doc's Diesel. You see some fuel treatment. You see oil filters. You see some oil treatment. What else we do? Fuel filters. Awesome stuff, guys. Local Ohio company. As always, thanks for stopping by. Check these guys out for all your filter needs, oil needs, all that stuff. Awesome product. Increases lubricity on the treatments you use. The micron rating on the filters, phenomenal. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, sir.